Welcome back to the NIF tutorial. In the previous tutorial, we have learned about how to add a signal block to a workbook. In this tutorial, we'll try to learn more about the signal block by focusing on two components, that is confidence and severity score. For that, let's open the same workbook in which we wrote the detection logic earlier. So we wrote the detection logic using decal block, and then we added a signal block where we mentioned the name of the signal, its respective MITRE attack, tactic and technique value. And here we mentioned the confidence value as medium. Now confidence value or confidence level refers to the accuracy of an event. It confirms that the event behavior based on the detection logic that we have written. A signal with the value of high confidence indicates that the detection is very specific. If the value of the confidence is medium, then it indicates that the detection may be ambiguous, that means it is not very specific. And if the value of the confidence is low, then it indicates that the detection scope is very wide and the detection may not be malicious in nature as well. On the other hand, when you mention the severity score, it ranges in between 1 to 10. If the value is in between 1 or 2 or 3, then it indicates the severity of the event is low. If the value is 4 or 5 or 6, then it indicates that the signal severity is medium. If the value of the score is in between 7, 8 or 9, then it indicates that the signal severity or criticality is high. And if the value of the score is 10, then it indicates that the signal is highly critical. So I just hope this tutorial helped you to understand what is the difference in between the confidence value and score value, and now you can leverage this in order to write better detection logic and the signal blocks based on it. Thank you for patiently watching to this tutorial. Stay tuned for the next tutorials. Thank you.